Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth, and in this video today I'm going to be talking about paid viewpoint. I've done several videos on this in the past, but it's always a great way to show people how they can easily earn $15 to $20 relatively quickly using this website. Okay, this is one of my favorite websites. I have it pulled up open in a tab at all times while I'm working on my computer. And I earn money pretty consistently with this website, and it's easy to do. It's one of my favorites, and so I'm going to walk you through just how I cash out. The minimum is $15 to cash out, and right now I'm logged into my account at the moment. As you can see, I'm already at $15.23, so I can cash out at this point. But before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and, as you can see here, it tells me when I have a survey waiting. This is why I keep it open in a tab at all times, because I can just come back to it and see if there's one waiting for me, because these will go away if you don't log in often enough. So let me show you how easy these surveys are. Okay, this is basically, the survey is about information that I've already entered into my profile. So they're just going to ask me these questions to make sure I am who I am and for quality control. It says, are you 16 years old and your household income is 25 to 50? No, not 16 years old, that's for sure. Okay, which of these activities do you frequently do on a computer? Which of the following TV networks do you watch at least once a week? So we're going to click on the ones. See how easy this is? So simple. And number 4, are you looking to sell your house within the next 12 months? No. Which of these dining categories have you tried in the past 3 months? Okay. Which of the following businesses, industries, or markets, if any, do you or any member of your family currently work with? That's a none of those. Who in your household is the person most responsible for making decisions about financial investments? Okay. See, these are super simple. These are really just questions about you, so it's not that difficult. Okay. Which of the following best describes how much your household currently has in investable assets, excluding real estate, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Oh, well. Have you voted in your most recent election? Yes. What do you currently do regularly on your cell phone? What types of research would you be interested in participating in? Number 12, which of the following have you researched or purchased in the past 6 months? Which of the following products labeled as organic do you purchase? Okay, and that was it. That was just 13 real simple questions. Took me less than about a minute, I guess. And here's what I earned. Oops, 10 cents. Just for doing that, like I said, super simple. And so now my earnings are up to $15.33. So at this point, like I said, the minimum to cash out is $15. They recently lowered it from $20 to $15, so you actually make it to $15 a lot faster. You can cash out. So I'm going to show you how we do that. I'm just going to go here to the money sign. Okay, and here's how much I have, and here's where I can redeem them. I can get PayPal, Amazon, or Walmart gift card. So some people who don't have PayPal, they can choose these other 2 options. Or if you want a Walmart gift card, you can choose that option, whatever you'd rather do. So we're going to click on PayPal. This is how I do it. And all you have to do, it's real simple, is hit this button, cash out now via PayPal. Now I've already entered my PayPal information, so it's going to be real simple. Boom. There we go. And as you can see, the little piggy bank has been broken. That means that basically is a symbol showing you that you have cashed out. And it says, congratulations on your cash out. Please allow up to 72 hours for the funds to arrive in the PayPal account. Okay, so that is as easy as it is. And now I'm back down to 0. And I get to start over and start working towards my next $15. I mean, obviously you can cash out, you can accumulate a lot in there and cash out $50 to $100 if you rather, but for the purposes of this video, I wanted to go ahead and show you how to do that. And I'm also going to show you one other thing about Paid Viewpoint that I really love, and that is the fact that they have a referral. Okay. Some of these programs have referral programs. Some of them don't. This one does, and if you are an affiliate marketer or you want to just tell your friends and family about this, you can earn money alongside the people that you invite. So it's a great extra way to earn money. So I just wanted to mention that real quick. So that's it for today's video about Paid Viewpoint. If you are interested in this kind of content, then please hit the subscribe button and like this video if you liked it. And I'll be putting out more videos like this, so make sure you check the notification box so you know when I come out with my new videos. And I will leave a link in the description to Paid Viewpoint so that you can sign up if you're interested and start earning your own money. Okay? Thanks so much for watching, and I will see everyone in the next video.